Hi guys! Dumating na yung order kong 5 pirasong watch galing sa Love, Hope, and Faith. Unboxing natin! 5 to! Bye! So hey guys, it's me again, Iris Without Etcher. Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video guys, is gumawa ako ng vlog. Yeah, short vlog. Panoorin nyo yun. I-upload ko yung mga, maybe hindi ngayon, makabukas, or baka next day, or baka hindi ko na siya i-upload. Pero ito na lang panoorin nyo. So bumili ako ng watch sa Love, Hope, and Faith group. Which is, may watch ka na, nakasave ka pa ng life. Yeah, nakatulong kang to save a life. So ito yung box nila. And bumili ako ng limited edition na purple nila because I like purple and I'm a fan of BTS too. It's the different ha. I love purple and I'm a fan of BTS. Dalawa yon. Huwag kayong ano dyan, para kayong ano. So dahil bumili ako ng purple, para hindi sayang yung 99 pesos kung shipping fee, bumili ako ng another 5 watch. Okay, hindi lang po isa, 5 po ang dinagdag. So 6 po lahat to. So papakita ko sa inyo yung color ng watch na binili ko. So I got, wait lang, next video para kayong hindi nag. So yun nga, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung 5 watch kasi nakita nyo na yung purple. Ito yung pang-6, which is, yeah, I kinda like it. Kung tignan nyo yung stopper nya guys, sabi dito, together let's help. Or let's help together. O bala kayo na mag-decide. So I got the black one, which is I will keep this. And I will keep this beige too because it's cute. Yeah, it's cute. Yep, and this one is the gray, but not super gray, but it's I kind of like it, but bibigay ko sa kapatid ko, and I will keep this white because ito talaga yung purpose maliban sa purple, because white is good, and the green, the army green, di ba? So yeah, meron akong 6 na watch, just isa lang yung kamay ko ay 2, so nakadepende yan sa mood ko kung anong kulay yung gagamitin ko, ganun dapat yun. O diba, mura na siya. It's 350 pesos plus 99 shipping fee within Metro Manila. So order na kayo para makatulong naman kayo sa ekonomiya na. Okay, joke lang yung bumili na kayo. Bumili kayo pag gusto nyo, hindi yung bumili kayo kasi inutusan ko kayo. So yeah, you see, I like this one. This one is their limited edition purple color. If you're a fan of BTS, you can buy this one because this one is kinda nice. Nakatipid ka na, nakatulong ka pa, yung ganun. May watch ka na, nakatipid ka na, nakatulong ka pa. Which is, you see, it's very cute. And you see naman the details at the back, guys. O, parang maghahawa kami yung kamay. So, it means, save me. Ay, perfect. Para kang hindi na grade 2. Okay, bye-bye na. Gising na yung boss ko. Bye, guys. Have a great day.